Welcome back to our maths class. Let's move into the topic mensuration. Next topic we are going to discuss is area. What is area? Area is the number of square units that cover the surface of closed figure. Okay, so how can we find the area when a figure is given? Okay, area means it is the number of square units. Okay, so now you will count the number of squares, okay, given in the figure. You have to count the number of squares and you have to write, that is, area is the amount of surface enclosed by the closed figure, how much space the given figure is occupying. Okay, that is called the area. Now in this figure you can see squares, yes or no? So squares, you have to count how many squares are there. Okay, the figure is occupying how much space. Okay, so counting the number of squares, you will count it as 1 2 3. Okay, so there are totally 45 squares. Okay, so the area is 45 square units. Okay, usually area, okay, when you're finding area, your unit will be in square units. Square units means if it is in centimeter, it will be square centimeter, or if it is in meter, it will be square meter. Okay, square meter or meter square. Same way, centimeter square or square centimeter, both are same. Okay, so if the unit given is in centimeter, it will be square centimeter. If it is in meter, your answer will be square meter. Okay, that is the unit for finding the area. Okay, so what is area? It is the space enclosed by any closed figure. Okay, so whatever space it is occupying, that space you have to count the number of squares and you have to write the area. Okay, exercise 10.2, question number 1. Find the area of the following figures by counting squares. Okay, here we have to find the area. How can we find the area? We have to count the number of squares. Why are we counting number of squares? Area means it is the space or the area enclosed by the closed figure. Okay, so we can find the area by counting the number of squares. Okay, now first one, count the number of squares to find the area. Okay, so we have 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Okay, so area is equal to 9. Okay, what is the unit? Here meter or centimeter, nothing is given. Okay, what is the unit of finding area? I told you it is square units. Okay, so we have 9 square units. Clear, children? Now B question, count the number of squares. So 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, so we have 5 square units. Clear? Now next one, C question, count the number of squares. So full square, you have 2 full square, 1 and 2. Okay, so 2 full squares you have. Okay, now this is 1 half square, this is 1 half square. So can I say half plus half make 1 full square? Yes, so half plus half is 1. Okay, so 2 plus 1. Again you can see 1 half here and 1 half here. So again half plus half is 1. Okay, so 2 plus 1 plus 1. So we have 4. Okay, so 4 square units. Clear, children? Now D question. Okay, D question, count the number of squares. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and 8. Okay, so 8 square units is the area for D question. Clear? Question number E. Okay, find the area by counting squares. So count the number of squares. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and 10. There are 10 squares. So what is the area? 10 square units. Clear? Next one, F question, count the number of squares. Full squares you have 1 and 2. You have 2 full squares. Okay, so 2 And now half and half. Half plus half is 1. Yes, so 1. Again, can you see half plus half? So it is again equal to 1. So 2 plus 1, 3. 3 plus 1, 4. So there are 4. The area is 4. Okay. So F question, the area is 4 square units. Clear? Now G question. G question also count the number of squares. So full squares we will count first. Okay. So 1, 2, 3 and 4. There are 4 full squares. So 4. Okay. Now this half plus half, can I say it is equal to 1? So 4 plus 1. Okay. Now you have 2 more half squares. So half and half. So again half plus half is equal to 1. Okay. Now 4 plus 1 plus 1. So it is 6. Okay. So your answer is 6 square units. Okay, G question, your answer is 6 square units. Clear? Now H question. H question is very easy. You have only full squares. So you can easily count 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So your answer is 5 square units. Clear? Now I question, count the number of squares. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, so 9 square units. Clear? Now next one, J question. Okay, count the number of full squares first. Okay, so full squares you have 1 and 2. Okay, so 2. Now half plus half is equal to 1. Again you have half plus half. Again it is equal to 1. So 2 plus 1, 3. 3 plus 1, 4. So you have 4 square units. J question, the answer is 4 square units. Clear?